How's it going, everyone? Happy iPhone Day. Right here, we've got the Apple Watch Series 5. There's not a lot of changes that have really made it worth upgrading, but we got it anyway. So let's go ahead and check it out, unbox it, and have a first look at what's new and if you should even want to upgrade. So just like last year, they're doing their box a little bit differently. You have one box for your watch and one box for your band. So on the top right here, so Apple Watch and it's embossed right there. On the back, it says Apple Watch. I got the Series 5, 44 millimeters in stainless steel silver. They're doing a thing called the Lab, Apple Watch Lab, where you can design your case and your band independently. So I've got a sport band with my stainless steel silver model. That's not something you can get normally unless you do a custom configuration like what I did. So that's kind of cool. So we just open up these tabs right here and we've got our usual stuff. Got our watch right here and our band right there. And then on the inside, again, we have a list of every Apple Watch configuration that you can make. So let's put that off to the side. We got our band. This is actually just a normal retail box, so you can sell it if you don't want it. So that's kind of cool. This is the Alaskan Blue Sport Band. I don't have this one yet, so that's what I got here. It even says right here, $49. So yeah, nobody's been buying these, so you could like buy them like the day before and still get it in store. So I think some Apple employee just went out to the shelf, picked up an Alaskan Blue band and put it in there because it still has the price tag on it. This is really nothing special. It's the same stuff you always get in the band. Got information, and then we've got how to install your band. And because this is a sport band, you got your medium and large, and you got your small medium. And then we got a clasp. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not many other options when it comes to bands. When it comes to cases, though, we do get a couple of other options. This year, we do have a titanium model as well as our white ceramic. The white ceramic is back from the Series 3, but titanium is new on this model. So we've got an outline of the silver stainless steel. So what's new with this watch? Well, there's three things really. We have an always-on display, which is actually kind of cool, something to feature people have been wanting for a while. I suppose that's not something that I've actually been asking for. But right here, we've got the watch. As you can see, it is really identical to this one. This is a 44 millimeter silver stainless steel. It is really identical, exactly the same. Also in the box, we get our information, how to set it up, and some tips. So that's pretty much that. Then we've got our standard power brick right here. Nothing much to that. And then we've got our charging puck, which is still using a USB Type A connector, so no Type C on that. Also new on this Apple Watch is a compass. It actually has a real magnetic compass in there. So if you have something like a Milanese loop, the magnets in your band may actually affect the performance of the compass. So if you need a compass in your watch, you now have it. Also in here is an S5 processor. This is supposedly better, as we would assume from each iteration of the watch, but code inside of the watchOS 6 beta actually says this is exactly the same as the S4 in this watch right here. So it's a new chip, but it is really no different. So you shouldn't expect much of a performance improvement. So the only reason you would want to actually get this watch is if you really want that always on display, or if you really want a compass. That is the only reason that you would ever really need to upgrade to this watch from a 4. If you have a Series 3 or earlier, this is definitely a really great option. I love the giant screen. This is like one of my favorite things on this watch. I just love the screen. So that is really it. That is all that you get with this watch. But it's still very cool. I'm excited to try that always on display and get this set up. So if you want to see a video about the always on display, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to make one of those. If you have any questions, let me know as well. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with That Tech, and I will see you in the next one.